In a perfect world, you understand me. I'm not a perfect girl. I will drop my fears at the door. I will only bring myself and nothing more.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just burst you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag glow, two-tone party, yeah, match the nails, hoe. Tag glow, no competition. Curbing, my shit is last, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Pick up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks gon' keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on time. Stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cardi, yeah, match the nails, ho. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho.
A life with no fun, please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know, they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break, I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that on your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care
She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside that bank, they give me the check. Pick her core crap with her money spent. Keep her old stick, army vet. Keep my new cheeks and on me wet. Pad on my neck, arm, leg. Had to make it easy so you get it. I'ma make it hard for the next. Niggas glitching, I can't send a text. Made it hidden like my head. Side to side in New York, I just saw a vibe on the wrong thing. You need to call, I got it with my king. Yeah, I book it in the new court. Trying to get my crew siding hard at my bring the love. I just let the crew Uncle Who before it's in the deep chill. Trying to lie, even though I'm legendary.
Hey guys, man, it just reached us go. I'm gonna walk go over, but first I'm gonna come out to a taxi, right? Well, I'm in a taxi and I say you will bus stop, and instead of man get up for pull the seat, come around at the back, the man the way, you know, the double seat behind the driver, and that the man want them pull can do and get up on the second seat. But anyway, let me Travis go and talk to her now. Oh Lord, I am so tired, guys. So yesterday in class we went up, we were doing for gerontology class. We went up to the characteristics of aging, I think it was that. I'm trying to remember. We did the benefits of healthy aging. We did the myth, and so I said to read up on the theories. So I started to jot down some notes on the theories, but I'm not finished, so I am going to see where I can go with this now. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do.
Give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside the bank, they give me the check.
Lancy, I'm ghetto and I'm fancy. My hair and my nails make my fancy. I'm sexy, look like a piece of candy. You want a bad bitch, diamonds dancing. Same little shit, bouncing ass across the pond. In my UK, nigga wanna eat me 'cause I'm fine. Got my hair red and lie blind. Ass fat, look like I got it done. Grown cars real fast and they tinny, yeah. Booty shorts on with an SEL fitty cap. Get on rich bitch, got them pounds and I'm proud of it. With my London bitches overseas, yeah, we acting bad. You give me that neck. Got my hair done, he shot that tip. We both on back. Lancey think I'm cute and he wanna have sex.
Give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside the bank, they give me the check. She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside the bank, they give me the check.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that.
So guys, I am finished with the theories. There's quite a few of them, so all I have to do is continue read up on them. So yeah. So guys, since class start 9 o'clock and it's now 7:28, I have a movie for mental health to watch. It's not this, it's the Notebook. So I am going to watch it so I can start my mental health movie thing.
Fat niggas keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss off. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama rights. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and jumped. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide bitch. You with this shit, oh yeah, I ain't.
So guys, I never got to finish my video. The last thing you guys saw me was me taking some notes when I came back from school. So I'm just ending that video, guys. So that's basically a whole day in my life as a nursing school student. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.